Okay, this is a review for Part 10 of Mastery Test 1B. And in Part 10 on the test, what you're going to have to do is find the perimeter of each of the shapes that were in Part 9 of your test. Okay, so remember for A, the perimeter of a rectangle, remember you have to add up all four sides of the rectangle. So if you look at A, you would have to do 16 plus 9 plus 16 plus 9. Don't forget all four sides. Okay, for an example here, we're going to look at letter B. So notice the directions tell us to find the area and the perimeter for each one. So for B, let's do the area first. Okay, so the area of this triangle, again, it's going to be half base times height. So my base of this triangle is 50, and I'm going to times that by the height. Now you got to be careful of the height. Remember, the height goes straight up and down, so make sure you don't use one of the sides. Right here, okay, the 45, that's my height. So I'm going to put the 45 in there. Okay, I go to my calculator. Remember to put the 1/2 in parentheses, 1 divided by 2, parentheses, 50 times 45, parentheses. Hit enter. I've got my area, which is 1,125, and then in this case would be square feet. Now, to get the perimeter of this triangle, remember I need to add up all three sides. What you have to make sure you're careful of when you're doing the perimeter of a triangle is that you don't add the height in there, because the height is not always one of the sides. Like in this triangle, the height is not one of the sides, so I'm not going to add it. So I'm going to do 50 plus 60 plus 52, because again, the 50 is one side, the 60 is another, the 52 is the third side. And I can just go ahead and add those up. Okay, 50 plus 60 plus 52. And I get 162. Now remember, for the perimeter, we just give the units. So it's 162 feet. Okay, go ahead and do the area and perimeter for A, C, and D. Again, make sure that you get these problems checked with me to make sure you have them all correct before moving on or before finishing.